The more you chase someone, the more you appear unattractive. The more you need something, the more you won't get it. Let me tell you a story. I met a girl on Tinder. I really like her. I asked for a date for the 5th time and she finally said yes. I was so happy at that time. I thought to myself, I cannot fuck this up. I must make this date a very perfect date and she must like it, and so I have to be just so perfect in a way that she will never ever reject me. No, I was being needy, and so I had to prepare hard for the date coming up. I have to look very cool. I tried to not fuck up my speech because I stammer like a crazy old man. So when the date is actually happening, there was just so much going on in my mind. Oh, make sure to have eye contact, or make sure that my hair is not messed up, make sure I don't speak like a stupid old man, or don't smile so hard. Just you know what I mean, right? And so because of that, I wasn't being as fun as I usually do. And when I'm not that fun, I wasn't being attractive to her also. I was trying to be someone else to impress her. So let me share you a quote from Julian himself. He's very genius. That helped me to throw away this neediness. Whatever outcome you think that she has on you, find a way to give it to yourself. So maybe this girl will make me happy. Maybe it will make you whole again and never feeling to need anything at all. So find a way to make you happy. Find a way for you to make yourself whole again. Regardless if she is with you or not. What makes you happy, figure that out. And don't confuse happiness with short-term pleasures. They're absolutely not the same. Your happiness could be climbing the mountains, start a coffee business, or even start a YouTube channel like me. Not gaming, porn, and other short-lived pleasures. Prioritize your own happiness and your well-being. You will start automatically attract these girls, and not just girls, but the one who is right for you. So maybe you probably won't find them on these stupid dating apps that doesn't even cost a single benefit to humankind. You will probably find these girls at the mountains, or the coffee shop you're setting up, or a creator meetup like where I usually go. From there on, you'll radiate so much attractiveness. She just cannot resist you because you share the same values with her, which other 90% of men don't. Also, one thing women hate is when you don't tell her about what you're working on. Click here and I'll show you why. And until then, take care and be a fucking rock.